Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Future Continuous Tense, Lecture 30. Let's discuss about the topic. Affirmative or positive form of sentence of future continuous tense. If we have the subjects like he, she, it, singular noun, I and we, you, they, and plural noun, in future continuous tense, we use will be or shall be plus the first form of the verb and ing. Then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples. He will be playing all night. She will be cooking food. It, here for cat, will be drinking milk. Tom will be driving to market. We have some more examples. I or we will be waiting for a doctor. You will be sleeping in the night. They will be flying to Paris tomorrow. Boys will be playing games. We move on to the next. That is to say, negative form of sentence of future continuous tense. If we have the subjects like he, she, it, and singular noun, I and we, you, they, and plural noun, we will use will not be or won't be, the short form, or shall not be or shan't be, plus the first form of the verb with ing. And then we have objects or other words. See the examples. He will not be playing all night. She will not be cooking food. It for cat will not be drinking milk. Tom will not be driving to market. We have some more examples. I or we will not be waiting for a doctor. You will not be sleeping in the night. They will not be flying to Paris tomorrow. Boys will not be playing games. We continue and move on to the next. That is the interrogative form of sentence of future continuous tense. In this case, helping verb will or shall will come first before the subjects like she, of course with a small letter, she, it, singular noun, I or we, you, they, and plural noun. Then we will use be plus the first form of the verb with ing. And then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples. Will he be playing all night? Will she be cooking food? Will it, here for cat, be drinking milk? Will Tom be driving to market? We have some more examples. Will I or we be waiting for a doctor? Will you be sleeping all day? Will they be flying to Paris? And with plural noun, will boys be playing games? Continue. That is interrogative form of sentence with question words like what, how, when, why, etc. In this case, question words come first. After that, will or shall. And then we have subjects like she, it, singular noun, I and we, you, they, and plural noun. And then we use be plus the first form of the verb with ing. And then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples. Why will he be playing all night? Who will she be cooking food for? When will it for cat be drinking milk? Why will Tom be driving to market? We have some more examples. Why will we be waiting for a doctor? When will you be going to college? Where will they be flying tomorrow? Sorry, a spelling mistake. H must be removed from this. How will boys be playing games all day? We continue to the next step, that is usage of future continuous. Number 1, an action or event that will be in progress over a period of time in the future. In other words, we can say that an action or event that continues in future for a certain period of time. Let's see the examples. He will be flying to London tomorrow. She will be cooking all day. You will be visiting your friend in the office. Boys will be playing games all time. What we notice in all these examples of future continuous tense is that an action is progressing in future. I imagine that something will be going on in future. For example, at the moment I'm sitting and I imagine that my friends will be watching movies in the evening. Let's see another example. I'm here in the office and I think about a work that will be progressing in future. For example, my mother will be cooking lunch for me, like this. So you can have so many examples in this context and in this manner. So in brief, what we mean to say is that future continuous tense is about an action or event that is progressing, that is continuing in future. You imagine that this work will be going on at certain point of time in future. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.